Hello, welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Rokuro, and yeah, this will be my first time uploading and my clips being edited for the first time. Why did I say that twice? I'm so nervous right now from just introducing myself. Yeah, today we're gonna try to replay one of the Roblox oldest games that been published, Natural Disaster Survival. Uh, Basically, this game is all you're gonna do is survive each round for a random events of disasters such as tsunamis, meteor showers, acid rains, or even the freaking COVID-19. I mean, yeah, all natural disaster survival, like all disasters. But without further ado, let's go ahead for my videos and clips. But before that, you can try to support me by liking and subscribe down there. Hit the notification below. Oh no, don't do that because I don't even post daily since I'm very busy for preparing for a college life. Yeah. Without further ado, please enjoy my videos and hope you guys like it. Noiny, noiny. Life goes oiny, noiny, noiny, noiny. Alright. Ah, ah. Why am I lagging so much? Yo, we survived the coronavirus. Virus of corona. Hold on. Gonna make my alt account do the works. I don't wanna do the work. Oh, I didn't turn on the work. Fucking dumbass. Oh shit. Yeah. Ooh, what is that? Ah, it's just so crispy. Sounds so crispy, dog. So I'm just gonna. Wait. No. I gotta exit Discord. Exit Discord, yeah. So we can have more of our RAM. It's a lag. Ah, ah. Go for 30 FPS. Let's see what do we get for today. Dude, I already left in there. What do you mean? There's a trail car here. It's really good out for campings. Yeah, a lot of trail cars. Mind if I go inside? Bathroom here. Ugh. What a weird ass situation that would be. I can't sit on that. Oh shit. Yeah, we're going up there. We're going up there. Shit. Shit, everyone is going up there. I don't think so. There are Chinese people here. Let's just situate ourselves here. Only here. I'm okay with here. There's the tsunami. Wait, how tall is the tsunami though? Not that much. We can just survive. We go here. Ow! Oh, I should have stayed up top. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Hell nah. Shabao. Bro, I should have stayed. Oh my god. Why am I so. My CPU is all throttling. I need to buy a freaking. Yeah, I should order now. Some freaking con. Thermal paste of the internet. Yeah, I died. I was so freaking dumb back then. Nah, I am big dumb at that point. I was being dumb at that point, dog. Dogs. Okay. Wait, where's the villager one? Oh, I think it left. He left. Oh no.
I'm gonna find where did I get the. Bro, I swear I. Oh shit, it started already. Where was it? Oh, there it is. I'm gonna buy this one. Still have balance for my one. Oh my god. Okay, that is really expensive. Oh shit. I'm not gonna order anymore. GG! Oh, GG Marine! Go away! GG! 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 Yo, I'm a big fan for GG Marine, bro. League of Legends! Hold on. No, GG! Yo! Okay. Okay, we're gonna go take cover. Take a cover! Okay. Oh shit! Oh shit! Man, I'm gonna stand here. I'm gonna survive this one. Trust me, guys. Okay, I'm gonna ask her. Do you love like League of Legends? DG, do you love League of Legends? Oh, there's Gigi Marie there. Oh my god. Yeah, we have an exploiter here, but they're just having fun. All that for a cent two and a freaking 1,000 virus. That's worth a 55k. Ooh. Best spot? Best spot? Oh, that's almost. This is the best spot. It is. I'm gonna vibe. I'm gonna vibe. I'm gonna vibe. Ooh. Oh shit. Look at me, I'm clipping. I can go to backrooms anytime I want. Ooh. Yo, the car. Control the crane, Gog. You're gonna fall out. No! That was the last second! No way! Oh hell nah. Oh hell nah, there's no way I just died the last second. That was the fucking last meteor just hit me. GG! GG! Do you like League of Legends? Yes. Yeah, she might be. Yes! The grab! Where's the grab? Oh my god, everything is exploding at this point. We did nothing wrong though. We haven't done anything. Where's Gigi Marie? Where's the grab lid? God, you know I Yo. Oh shit. What the dog? Okay. Wait, he's gone. Where's the Digo? Among Us. Oh shit, there's an Among Us in here. Hello guys, welcome to okay, where's the volcano? Let's go. I'm gonna wait for the volcano to pop. Okay, here it is. Okay, here we go. Oh shit! Yo, holy moly. Okay, don't stand too near. Oh my god, I got hit. Almost. I just tripped? No way my character just tripped. Fucking dumbass. Oh, he's jerking it! No. I have to take a screenshot for this. Bro's jerking it. No way! My bro is jerking it. No, I died! Oh my god, I hate this. Who's that? Ugh, Drisky. Broski, what the fuck is that avatar dog?
Oh, it's mic on. Hold on. Ah,
Manglas.
lol. 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 There's a Filipinos in here. What's up with the people, mga kapwa
Ay,
Pinoy?
natawa ko iyo. Walang padasad ko.
Bading, 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 bading.
Walang padasad ko. Natawa ko. Walang padasad ko. Walang padasad ko. Walang ipak ko.
Bading, 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 bading. Yo, I love this. Yo, these kids are fun to play with. Oh wait, no, I didn't mean that way. Oh shit.
Magic. Favorite ko. Magic.
Hacker. What the fuck is that name, dog? Yo, that name is diabolical. Oh, I mean, kids be playing Roblox right now, but not as much. No, it is as much as it is very much, and we played less back then. So, like, it's kind of hold the whole thing. Yo, this is a new update. There's a freaking mountain of stones here in the church. Oh no, this is not a church. This is a freaking school. The schools have like big ass mountains back. Oh, avalanche. Where is the avalanche? We'll go high grounds, I think. Ah, that's why there was a mountain on it. Oh boy, I sure hope I don't die in here. Still falling. They're throwing white bricks at us. Oh shit. Well, you know, the Riz. Look at that. Cheers. Oh my god. I think it's here. We should be staying here at the point M. Okay, the avalanche didn't go that far. But I think I know the reason why there's a mountain in here. I was so confused at first. Like, what? They actually updated the map of the high school map? No, it was the part of the disaster itself.
Huli ba di ko patay?
So yeah, we gotta. So that's a note taking. Word note taking.
Kata daho.
Oh my god. Oh shit, bro, hit the freaking. Oh my god. Pero hold on, I'm gonna do mine too. I'm gonna do the shrug. Ugh. We're both news. Uy, 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 huwag mo mura. Bata ba kayo? Sige, pre. Yeah, there's a lot of kids playing this. It brings me so back when I was just playing this when I was like 8 years old, I think. Yeah, like a lot. I played this a lot when I was a kid. This is the most. Oh, there's no way I just tripped, but just. Ah! No way! The arc. The arc. Oh my god. My mute cat spoke. Are you sure that mutes can speak? I don't think so. Are you sure that that's the case for it, my boy? Okay, okay. Where the fire started? Fire! La 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 lava, chicken. Steve's love chicken, yeah, it's tasty as hell. Ooh, mamacita, now you're ringing the bell. Crispy, juicy, and you're having a snack.
Walang pad ko.
Oh my god.
Walang pad ko.
Yeah, they're exploiting. But I'm okay with that. This is for a good for a hangout and like a less demanding games that that you can actually play. It's just for having fun. Yeah.
Just having fun. It is good. It is that good. Meha. Okay, so what are you made of? Ah, so you're a demon or something. You guys like this animation so much. What the fuck is that? Nanja korewa. Sore da oni desu. Oni is demon in Japanese, right? I think I forgot. Yeah, I forgot. Maybe. Robocat. I don't see any cat and robots in here. Only see the. Oh, someone's getting scolded. Someone's getting scolded. Who is that? Who is that? Okay. Someone's getting scolded. Yep. That's a typical Filipino kids here in the Philippines living. Every day get scolded by our parents.
Ayan, ito, buti to.
There's also using some cheats or exploitations, but it's fine. Just what I said, it is fine to use one. This is a very chill game. Has nothing to do with sweats and competitive players in here. Oh hey hello. So guys, what do you think about the reclamation of the? I don't know about anything lost here in the Philippines, but I do know some like. Okay, I take that back. I don't know anything. I mean, I listen to our history class or what we call Araling Panlipunan, but I just tend to forget everything I just learned. Like the moment I step into a new grade or I just graduated from that, which is I am right now. I'm turning college. Oh shit. Oh shit. Who's there to go home? No. Oh shit. Okay, we're gonna stay close here. I'm gonna hate myself. I'm just gonna die from a freaking meteor in here. And and just a second after the freaking event ends. Hell no. No. Don't hit me with a blue hammer. What the fuck is a blue hammer? What does that do? I mean, I have a Stormbreaker here. Is this Stormbreaker? I don't know. This is Thor's new weapon in the NCU universe. Say that. I'm a champ. I have a freaking motorcycle t-shirt. You see that? Oh, hi. What about I screw? Oh. I'm gonna spread.
Chill, chill. Wala yung stress.
Yeah, I hope so. We don't get hit by a meteor. Bading. Mga Bisayang bata na ako po. Gago. Tarantado talaga itong mga Pinoy. Oh shit! Okay. No. Okay, I gotta watch out my mouth when I'm trying to say something in the freaking proximity chat. No way! I got a freaking Amber Alert, or rather, but I restricted. Oh, what's it? Oh, I thought it was Squad. I thought it was Puchita. I do wanna cosplay Puchita though.
FYID.
Manong Sikyo! Papasukin mo kami please, oy! Okay, it is raining.
Guard, nagdalang pusil. Guard, nagdalang pusil.
Mga bata, gagi. Okay, these are kids. They're having fun there right now. I mean, wait. Today's Friday. Do they have class or not? Okay, so I'm gonna be the interviewers in here. Hello, good morning, ma'am and sir. Welcome to the presento. Oh my god. Welcome sa presento, mga Lodi Cakes. Nandito tayo, oh shit, where are we gonna go? We're gonna hide here?
These are fake lockers. This is a huge block of iron. Something. It's just a pillar. What the fuck said me? This guy just said me. Oh, okay. You wanna be my friend? Omaira no kono watashi no tomodachi da. What the fuck am I saying? Bro is not saying Japanese shits. Okay, I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna go here. Oh shit, I'm gonna die. Ah! With the sheer coldness of my aura. Okay, so there's still hope in here. Don't break things, dude! Oh my god. This fucking kid is doing things a lot. You're breaking stuff, Mio. Omaera no koso. Yamero da. Okay, it is getting colder. Woohoo! Yeah, baby. Oh, it was that guy. Yo, I got a furry friend now. That's peak.
Hello.
Carbon.
Tiger.
Maybe.
Holy shit, there's one. One was left there. No.
Wala pat ko. Tawa, wala pat ko.
Oh, there's two of them. Are they cheaters or something? Yeah, this guy has a cool avatar. Meanwhile, me, I don't have any Robux. I just want to save and become a free to play as much as I can.
Nakot ako. Dalupad ako to.
Ano ako? Lumipad ka raw! Oh my god, that kid's voice is funny as hell. Okay, so get away. Yeah, they got away. Another way to feel like you didn't want yourself to know and let yourself go.
Pwede yung isa, oh.
Yo, guys, these guys have a freaking quad
Pwede, pwede.
car. Oh, it was this guy who sent me a friend request. Oh, Shival, run! I thought it was the furry friend who just. Yeah, these kids are. Yo, these kids are actually freaking skipping class, dog. Favorite class? Cutting class. Favorite subject? Cutting class. Alright. Okay, I don't know how will my recording turn out this. I think it will be so laggy. It will be so choppy though. Ooh. Oh! Yo! Someone died in front of me. I didn't even see it. Oh, someone's getting scolded. Someone's getting scolded. Someone is getting scolded for sure. I hope I don't get hit by a freaking meteor. The last second before the freaking event ends. I hope so. No. I do not hope so. I hope so not. Hell no. I survived this shit, dog. Oh. There's 3 people have premiums. Meanwhile, I don't have. Yeah, look at that. Smiley face. Charlie Kirk! Charlie Kirk! Charlie Kirky! Charlie Kirky!
I want to hurt
Hi, Survive 5. Gago epet boses queen.
Let's jump. And fly.
Ba- Bading.
Let's fly. Let's fly.
Oh shit. Yo, someone's. Yo, who just joined?
Ano nakabawa mo? Ano nakabawa ka?
Ay.
Ano nakabawa ka? Ano nakabawa ka?
Dalaga ko sa bata, Dre.
Kuya.
Oh no! Naban ko. No, you guys made a mistake.
Oo.
Podcast. Gadulan ako join.
Hindi mo ko ka-also.
Nadala kong natural disaster rin mga bata Dre. Are you guys supposed to be in school right now? Gago. Haha. Ha?
Di mo overheat. Pagbutak sa laptop ko para hindi siya mo overheat.
Ah, thermal paste.
Yeah, kasi
Same, mag-order kay ko, tapos paglandan ako kay walay discount, shebal.
laptop, di balto di maglag ako ng laptop.
Oh, nya ibutan pa jud nimo og higdaanan which is a soft surface area, not well ventilated. Sure na ko mubuto na.
Ay, ako rin siya ibutang sa laptop.
Yeah, that same thing. That's a soft surface to. Ibutan jud na siya og kwan.
No, ito, like, kanang, diba, sa side sa corner sa laptop, ako like, nagkala ko siya space sa sofa. You know what I mean?
Yeah, pero it's not really not advisable to do that. You just need to put it on a hard rock surface. Dapat flat. Also, i-kwan siya, tawag ni? Kung depression is paubos, unsa ganito pataas ni? I forgot. wait. Basta kanang but nga nimo siya og libro as like the end bitaw diri sayang sa kuan para mo na siya hungaw.
Lagi.
Ako naka-cooler man ko. Pero minute na po na eh. Dakuan ang thermal paste kay uga. Wala buhay pa ko. Nara kong skilled. I'm raising the freaking tower, dog. Yun, ako yung na-friend rin doon. Nandun siya gabatar.
Wala po pa requirements dito.
Yo! Usam na, muskwila ka, dili. Uy, pila na nakamandi si mong gingon. Next. Uy, alo, ikatulo na ni ba? This is second time in a row. Same map. What the fuck? Dire biyapon ko. This is my lucky spot. Nako dire sa ubos. Yo, lag kay ka, day. Lag kay ka. Where are you?
Right here, I'm next time.
Uy, Sunstorm. Okay. Ayaw papalit, dog. Uy, nalagi mga bata ni lagi. Na yung mga bata ko ba? What the fuck? Are you guys should be in the school right now?
Ano mo sila dito?
Naka-earphones mo ko.
Ano yung kutsita ni?
Dili na po chita eh. Abigyan ako po chita to first time na ako gan. Ato man ang meme. Ato man ang Chinese nga kan ba meme. Wait lang, day. Wait lang. Be right back.
Ano talaga yung half girl ni?
Sabay na, nay. Dili man na sila makakon. Na? Ay! Na, powdered! Dili ka tong pakit.
Ano ba na? Ay, kasoy What? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm dying!
Ambot.
Let's go on and 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 on.
Ah, she. Ha?
Lagi mo sa ako.
Oh shit, blizzard, blizzard, blizzard. Ah, katog daw. I'm not die. I'm not die. I'm not die. Wala na. I'm not die.
What the prank?
Kiki, asa ka?
Uy!
Pero, balagin mo sa ako.
Ah. Ay, nilib ka.
Lo.
Yeah. Kaya sa pag-star yung
Just stay near a freaking wall, dog. You'll be safe. You'll be safe here. Bingus.
Wala ako.
My name is Dingo Bingus. Oh, shittings.
Ang sayaw. Sayaw mga bo.
Alam, wala na yung ato. Ha? No! Ang wall! No! Nabalin! Siwal! Siwal! Mamatay na ako! Oh my god! I'm dying! Reset na lang ko eh. Ah, wala ni Piyong ang karakter. The fuck? Yung Piyong di gusto mamatay?
Uy, kata ba? Baka
That's a weird ass kwan. That's a weird ass. That's a, oh my god.
Teka, lalaki ko.
Ha?
Kaning duha ka po. Kaning silang duha ka. Iray.
Libat-limat, mad. Sabi na mabasaya ang bata eh. Baan ninyo, sa baan ninyo eh.
Kani ba? Kaning duha ka. Kani ba? Ay, Yofi. Ping.
Sama na siya. Ikan sa imong Gmail do. Lolo Pakno. Lo, alis na dali. Yagi ka, Lods. Lo. Sigla ka laka ba? Tags. Gago, naka-earrings pa si Lolo. Naka-drip suit. Shish! From Malacanang Palace. Ha? Dula. Dagago, earthquake. Linang! Mindanao simulator man eh. Gago. Katry ako kasanay, di ko kabalo kayo. No, I played rhythm games pero wala ko dili ko kan kayo also. But mulanta ko mga gameplay sana sa mga favorite songs na ko o kan. Na magdula man pud akong friend na nagod mo nang kan. Malingaw ko sa ay. Yeah, actually. Pero kan lang kan ba ako kanang competitive ako sa ay. Wanang mag-rage quit ko na. Rage quit. Oh, hi competitive. Okay, gago. Tagakan ko kon bingad. What the fuck? Tagakan ko ding dag yahak. Guner. Gago, Mindanao Simulator pare. Takbo! Dahil Mindanao Simulator me. Okay. Linog ba Mindanao? Kaday. Adil gubat man. Sa una kay gubat man daw na. CSGO. Woo! Yeah, let's go. Ga-record ra ba ko?
Hindi ako lagi ko.
Sa PC ra wala ko ga konri sa cellphone mo ko ron ga sa kan. Ga Discord.
Discord pa yung verification eh. Kalakot na
Nagiring ni Opam.
Ikuan do kanang pagimog passkey.
Nagiring ni Opam.
Kanang pwede ra password sa imong computer ang password sa imong Roblox.
Biyag dito ka. Para
Unsa ni? Ask my cam daddy. Yo! Yo! Computer? Bisaya kwan ba? Bisaya dialect. Ay, sa tawag gani. Sa tawag gani, kanang paglitok. Sibal, di ko na alam. Gusto niyo tawag na gani? I fucking forgot. Yeah. Pwede man R6. Naka-R3 lang niya ko ah. R16 gani, R3 animation. Ha? Asa ka? Where is yo? Ay, buwang na ako sa ubos. Nako ding big fat car. Namos taas? Agay, gubag tower. Where? Ay, naka sa... Namatay ka? Namatay ka? No! No! Ha? Uy, naman ka diri sa game na ako. Namatay kay ka? Ay, wala ka kapas around. Wait lang, naunsa mo na siya eh. Putik. Grapusi Arimadusi. Yo, this guy is talking shits out of his mouth. Pure shits. Asa, where are you? Ay. Where? Ay, no! No! Sabaan, di ba bataan eh? Ilaway! Ilaway! Nagalag man ni si Naruto, Kyoichi. Kyoichi kun, yo laging. Ay, naka-ninja run man na. Devastation Station. Loh, gagawin lupa ng train. Gagawin ka Star Rail. Yo! Nakalimut ko. Tawag ka to sa train nila. Fuck!
Oh my God! Tambo kayo siya! Ang cute!
Bisaya mana, day. Bisaya mana.
Solo Jambele.
Di man lagi ko masulod lagi. Dako man lagi kay ko. Chat. Labayan silang meteor dira. Chat, summon a meteor upon them. I cast meteor. Inay, kailan tingog ay? Si Kafka na? Oh no, it's not Kafka. What the fuck? Kala ko, oh, namatay na!
Are, pagbak yun. Tapos iring.
Ito, yung
Server, summon a meteor upon them.
Pagbak yun with it. Iring mo.
sa mga galito ko sa list.
Baling. Uy, gago, nilupad ko!
Mimi, pwede di ka mag-friend.
Di bugol! Na-fling ko! Utay na!
Mami, ito ayun.
Hiruma. Oh my god! Oh my god! There's a cringe ass. Oh my god! Gago, na-ban ko 5 minutes. Utangin na. Ew!
Yes po, Day. Day, pag yes po, Day, kung mamalikas ka, buang muro ka.
Di, nakalimot ko. Yo, they probably heard me nag-diss ani nila. Ew. Yucks! Yucks! Bayot! Bayot! Oh my goodness! Huwag kang bastos! Ay, gago! Banggaan! Sakita! Uy! Pasakit kami! Oy, sakay na ka! Let's go! Gago na! Gago! Take cover! Nana, si Kwan! Dili na tao, lingkod na touchin. Gago na, lagi na prisuhan. Dili ko. Hala! Die! Jane Do. Si Kenshi Yonezo og si Kwan. Di ba, moment to, gasid decide man ay opposite man to silang duha. Si Kwan. Sa ngalan na to bagay si Utada, something. Garaso ewo. Ayaw do, buwang. Wala pag ika naman sa high school gani. Okay! No! Tabakay ko na, kikidlatan ko. Namatay ka. Naigo ko, oh my god, mga bading man sila eh. Bading. So yan, si Suwa no. Wow, chuyan eh. Magka-robux lang ko, awa lang jod. Wala, Sinata! Ako favorite nga ko, middle blocker. Holy shit. Tara oh! Tapos na ko, ilusam na siya. Una ka ilan hinata. Larper. Nasi Lolo Pakno diri oh. Go. Damay na din. Kaya mga ngalan na niya nga kanay, mga bataroy. Lisod food. Dire man chill kayo nga game sa una pa jud ni chill ra jud kay ni dire. Gago, volcano. Na namatay!
Sabi na ko, di ko mamatay.
Bongka, na full damage. This is realistic, dog.
Helicopter?
Asa?
Pining machine ko.
Pili ko na kanang mo add ka og mga disaster, pwede ka naman stock og 1,000 ka buok. Magdungan tanan 1,000 lagi kaya kay na. Sorry, wala man tayo Robux. Wala man tayo Robux. So, why?
Another.
Try.
Ay, 75.
Yeah.
Ano? Basta ko 1,000. 75 isa ka po?
Yeah. 7k Robux ay ma-burn ni mo na.
Doctor.
Kiki na tagak na tapilok.
Sabi na ko, di ko mamatay.
Natapilok.
Hindi mo na akong guys.
Naka-record pa to, naka-record.
Tuloy.
Yeah, 44 minutes na ko ga-record oh. Garaso o eo. Aba, nakalimot ko sa lyrics. Kamemorize mong kuha na. Ay, kamemorize ko sa opening day. Tralalelo, tralala. Kung sa'yo mga volcano nga pan.
Lalalelo, lalala.
Pinagsasabi nito. Oy, survive! Diba? Wow! Wow!
May ganito eh. Namatay ko sa pakuramig first drop.
Ano? Hala, first man
Yung mga indifferent ko, ilain kasi sila to.
Mugali, mugali. Report. Should we report? Report na to, be.
Report. Sabi kaya, kayo.
How do I report again? Hi, no.
Lokay lang problem.
Basta ngalan ganin niya? What's his name? Akuma? Okay. Goodbye to your account.
Lucky o pa. Okay.
Report abuse, not text chat, avatar,
Doing inappropriate. Inappropriate.
dating og sex. Bag reported. Goodbye world. Wala, nilive akong friend. Asa man to? Uy, tsunami. Gagi birds. Bye-bye. Baan na mo guys. Ay, gago Suarez. Suarez simulator man eh. Perminti baon. Asa tsunami? Tsunami. Sinami daw guys. Sinami. Sinanami. Nanami. Livion. Bros an angel. A devil in disguise. Dinala ako sa dingding. Pilit ko.
Hello, gago na ako ng building.
Agay, namatay ko.
Building na natumbong building kayo. Ino eh.
Di, gabi, napakugragay ko, namatay. Bumbuang.
Ay, wala. Bilain na lagi kayo mga kuhaan sa Roblox eh.
Ha?
Nalain ko at kuhaan to. Kanang dagan tayo.
Look! Whoa! A Brit soldier! Howdy, mate! A pleasure greetings to our very good morning, sir. Sire. Pleasure morning, sir. Pleasure morning, sire. Salute. Ay.
I'm lagi.
Whoop. Oh! Salute ko. Peek. Ah.
Gabi, di ba? Gabi, bakit? Dala ko ganun eh. Hindi siya.
Yeah.
Ilan ba?
Huloy. Nilib, manggani kagali. Imura ko biyala to.
Ay, wala ko balik na nashi. Pagkaman bitato kay nashi animation.
Naman, Jud. I mean, na-spoil na ko kay gadula kong friend na to. Galanda ko.
Ay, yo.
Uy, nano ako man. It's not my fault nga nagdula sila to kalit.
Kadala taday. Pagkaman na ni. Wala balik.
Hello, kakit sa kuhan sa alien. Zip, zip, zip. Oh, shit. Oh. Yo, that saved my life. No, 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 no. Take cover. Take cover. Dagan. Soldiers, move forward. Okay, the meteor doesn't hit the same place twice. So I'm gonna stand here. Yeah.
Ako na, foot ko!
Let's do the soundboard. Board sound. Diabolical last dog. Under my umbrella. Oh, di ba? Under my umbrella, chish. Rihanna yarn. Si Enjo ba? Si Enjo? Uy! Namling ko! Namling ko! Dahil kita na ito animation ni Enjo, dahil. Sayo siyang umbrella. Wala kita to? Isa na ko sa account, TikTok ko niya. Di ba fit mo kasi kay umbrella, ba? Factor Frenzy. Oh, no, Factory Frenzy, dumbass. Didn't even read the Y at the factory. Game mode creative. Tarantado to, hindi to Minecraft, uy. Bubo. Ligsantog. Yo, I will not hesitate to run you over, dog, for a freaking $15 nga koan. Yo, wow! Wow! Lo. Yo, I will not hesitate to run you over a 15 pesos voucher sa pan Jollibee. For a peach mango pie? Hell yeah. Uy, ayaw patula ko! Comment! Uy, ayaw patula ko mo! Ayaw ba? Luna, wala laging crane dire. Where's the crane? Day, nakay na ni Day. Emote. Nakay na ni. Wala. Nakay na ni. Wala. Pero nakay na ni. Wala. Weh. Nakay na ni. Oo. Uy, gago. Nunsa ka, oy? Bro's freaking out. Ni. Day. Lantaw ganin ni Day. Ano, bitaw ko ni mo kagani, ha? Hindi ka kasi nakikinig eh. Hindi kasi ka nakikinig eh.
Hindi ba?
Mugali, hindi ka kasi nakikinig eh. Sabi ko kanina. Wait, nakadyan pa ba ka? I am not evil. Wala, si Cool Kid oh. Yo, I give you my salute, dog.
What if they kanang kumpanya na ni Smart School Boy?
No, lahi raman si Smart Schoolboy man is sa Discord. Tas si Cool Kid kay ay kana day, fuck. Dili si Cool Kid manggut kay hacker man na diri sa Roblox god kanang Urban Legend. Idi wow. Eh. Uy, earthquake gago. Mindanao! Ano nila ka kung busy? Ano ba na? Mindanao. Wala, namatay ang alien. Namatay daw. Kanang exploiter. Nagago. Na-fling ko eh. Sino? Lo. Berries tea. Asa na dahil? Sino? Hala, ay naman ko yung nani sa no. Ay ako manghod ito day. Sir, reporting for duty, sir. Oops. Uy! Gago! Uy! Naamot sa tower! What? Ano gago? Naabot siya dito sa tower. Yo! Dog!
Tabang! Ikaw kamatay! Luya, oy! Matanggal yung ulo tayo!
Ha? Ha?
Matanggal yung ulo sa babae!
Gago. Si Kwan, si Crasho. Asa man? Wala man. The fuck you mean?
Babae ba? Babae ba, di ba?
Ay.
Diba, nalugbog siya, tapos ang ulo, ginawan, tapos siya nalugbog.
Ano? Pinagsasabi nito. Open na nor.
Ilang na bayot?
Ah. Reporting for duty, sir.
Bayot?
Uy, gago, Suarez Simulator, let's go!
Hindi, mayakay, maniday.
Lakay, Suarez, oy. Grabe, loy, kaya mong highway diri permente.
Katungkol ka ng basyan, so,
Ay, bagyo man to, uy, gago. Nilupad ko.
ako nilupad.
Putang ina.
Pag-tingin, walang magawa sa buhay.
Ano? Ano?
Walang magawa sa buhay. Ano lang, pinapatay niyo yung mga tao dito. Kaday.
Oh. Gago na, po ni fingers yun. Bro, it's not Aoi. Dili ba si Kon ba si katong cowboy bitaw nga kan voice actor. Wala siyang si Marin do. Are you Marin? Uy, gago. Patay ko. Bye-bye.
Tumimik na ka, tumimik.
Namikmik ka. Okay, guys. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.
Hello, may wakayan, may.
Tarantado.
Thank you for watching.
Salamat sa pagpapanood sa aking pelikula, mga kababayan, mga kapinoy. At tayo na ramatites ka.
Salamat mga lord.
Lollipops, XP na na, Roblox na naman. Okay, bye-bye.